Dear students, good morning. We have already started the chapter Albert Einstein at school, and we have already discussed textual question and few important questions. Today I am going to discuss three long questions which will cover. So the first question is, what is the role of Yuri in the life of Albert Einstein? Or the question can come in this way also. What contribution did Yuri make to keep Albert away from school? Albert did not have many friends. Yuri was his only friend. Yuri's major contribution towards keeping Albert away from school was to enable him to get a medical certificate for 6 months. He asked Yuri if he had a doctor as his friend, and he wanted the doctor to certify that he suffers from a nervous breakdown. Yuri told him that he had a friend, Dr. Ernest Weil, who had qualified as a doctor only the previous week. He arranged his meeting with the doctor, but he advised Albert to be frank with the doctor and not to hide anything from him because Yuri considered Albert to be the world's worst liar. This line is from the text. This line can come in the short question also. The world's worst liar. Who said and in what context he said? Yuri said this line when he arranged meeting for Albert with Dr. Ernest Weil. He suggested to be frank and do not try to cheat him, as he is the world's worst liar, as his face reflects that he cannot speak lie. Albert was really feeling very nervous before his meeting. He told him that he did not know how to describe his trouble, but the doctor said that he need not to do that. Yuri had already told the doctor everything about him. The doctor was sure that Albert was nervous about his school, so he asked the doctor to certify for 6 months. So Dr. Ernest Weil easily understood his problem and gave willingly 6 months certificate easily. So next important question is, describe in your own words the conversation between history teacher and Albert. The chapter begins with history teacher's conversation with Albert. What were Albert's views about his school and its education? This is also very important question. This question can come in three different ways, three short questions. What are the Albert's views about education? Describe the conversation between history teacher and Albert. So the answer is, the lecture was going on, history lecture was going on, and the history teacher asked Albert in what year the Prussian had defeated the French at Waterloo. Albert said that he did not know the answer and he might have forgotten the answer. The teacher asked Albert why he did not try to learn the dates. He told him that he did not see any point in learning dates. In fact, they could always look up dates in books. This annoyed Mr. Braun, the history teacher, and made him speechless. Albert then told him that he was not interested in learning facts. He did not think that learning facts is education. Then Mr. Braun asked him in a sarcastic way, sarcastic means taunting way, to tell the class the Einstein theory of education. He said that, what is your theory of education? Explain in the class. And Albert started to explain it. Einstein was never interested in learning the dates of battle or which of the armies killed more men. He was only interested in learning or knowing the facts that why those soldiers were trying to kill each other. This made the history teacher more irritated. He told him that he is a disgrace and is a shame for the school and should not come to school anymore. Albert himself did not want to go to school, so he told his teacher that it was not his wish either. So he clearly told him that he is not interested to come to this school. So next important question is, why did the head teacher want Albert to leave the school? What role did he play in Albert's desire to get rid of school? Though Albert was good in mathematics and science subjects, he never liked subjects such as history, in which he had to learn facts and not ideas. So he remained lazy in these lectures, which irritated his teachers. So again and again they complained to the head teacher, and head teacher daily punished Albert. This also annoyed head teacher. So one day when Albert went to his school, the head teacher called him in his office. After hardly bothered to wonder why he had been sent for, why he was called, but vaguely he guessed that he was going to be punished again. However, the head teacher surprised Albert was saying that he wanted him to leave the school. He told him that his work was terrible and his presence in the classroom made it difficult for the teacher or impossible for the teacher to teach and for the students to learn. Albert had never expected that the medical certificate which was in his pocket went in vain, it went waste, but he was feeling happy that he had ultimately get rid of the school. So these three questions covered almost whole chapter, except short questions we have already discussed, except Mr. Coach's glowing reference. So maintain these questions, write down these questions in your notebook. Thank you.